my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Bum 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 bum. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSFY254, man. You tuned in for another one. As you can see, we're here in the house because the tarp is off in the garage, and I can't let y'all know what's up under that until we hit 10,000 subscribers. So go down in the bottom, make sure you subscribe, share the video out, or there's another way you can see it, is if you grab a membership. Membership's $4.99. All details down in the all the details are in the link that is in the description box below. All right, so today's video, I was thinking about this old ass radio that I got in the colors, right? And because I don't really plan on just putting more and more money into the colors, I thought I would try out a product. You know what I'm saying? The product that I chose to try out was boom. Can you see that? Is it gonna focus? It might be too bright. Anyway, that is a wireless car FM transmitter. So what I wanted to do was open it up, see if it was gonna work. I was gonna buy one from work, but the price was very similar, and this one looked at more hot tech, so to speak. So let me go ahead and open this up, get out the box, and then we'll look at it from there. Alright, so out the box, what we're looking at, the cover comes off. I will put the link down in the description box below. Most people honestly, they just gonna go buy a radio. But because I have fucking 13 cars of mine, all of them not getting the Alpine or all of them not getting a double DN, it's just not gonna happen. So maybe you're in a situation where you don't want to make, I guess, that big of a commitment, and you just want something simple like this. Comes with a fuse. I guess a backup fuse just in case you blow the fuse. Also comes with a aux, so you can aux right into the device. The reason that I chose this is because of the simple fact that I thought it would be good. I don't know, I might have bought the wrong one. Hopefully this is the one that got Bluetooth. I think that's what it said on the website. If not, we're gonna send it back. If I can't connect my phone. That's the only reason I want it. Okay, no. I think it's good. It's got a little phone on it. So we're gonna see. To the Batmobile. Alright, so we outside. Time done changed, so it's getting dark early. It is what it is. The footage still gotta happen. So that's odd. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're in, oh shit, that is not gonna work. Hold on, be back after these messages. Alright, so I apologize in advance for this being dark. I'm gonna try to light it up. There really ain't nothing I can do about it. Damn you, daylight savings time. Alright, so let me see exactly how simple this little device could be, how simple installation of this little device could be. So you have your device, right? Trying to see exactly how it kind of flips and everything, but it plugs into your cigarette lighter, like so. that's pretty cool right there. I guess you really won't need no light for the rest of this demonstration. So, oh, that's pretty dope. I can't lie. So I did read that it does monitor the battery voltage. That's kind of low, actually. I don't know what happened though. It's probably been sitting for like a day, but that's good to know, you know, if that's what you're into. Let me see. We got channel, and then backwards and forwards. So let me see. Okay, so that's that. That's the volume. And then okay, so then you can change the station to whatever you want it to be. Let me see how we're gonna actually Bluetooth BT70. I'm guessing this what's this called. So to see if it works, let's see. Let's turn the radio on. Tuner. Let's go to 87.9. So that seems to be the closest thing. It works. It probably gonna have copyright anyway, but maybe let me find some copyright-free music. Maybe we can avoid that. But yeah, it does seem to work. There is also a place where you can like load in like an SD card. And you can play the music off the SD card. It's like a micro SD. You also you have the ports there. Quick Charge 3.0, and you got a 2.4 amp on there. So, and like I said, it monitors the battery voltage, which is kind of cool too. Just for the purpose of the fucking battery monitoring, that shit is hard. So I pulled it up on my phone. Let's see, y'all can see. As you can see, it is. And I mean, that's just something crazy. I mean, FM transmitters are not ancient. I mean, they kind of ancient technology, but FM transmitter with Bluetooth, probably still not the newest technology. But you know, I usually buy like a deck that does what I want it to do. But I mean, this Pioneer is a perfectly fine unit. Nothing wrong with it other than the fact that I can't Bluetooth it. So for $20-something, I just turned my 19 whatever year Pioneer into a 19 whatever or 2000 whatever year Pioneer into a Bluetooth compatible unit using this little device here. And if you're curious about if the voltage reading actually works, see it dropped to like 11. We keyed it up. So you can see with the car actually on, the display changes. It shows the radio station that you're transmitting over, Bluetooth, if it's paused or if it's on play. That's something I didn't know it was gonna happen. I didn't know when I turned the car on, it was gonna change displays. It did. So, you know, now we're sitting at 11.9. So it's a good way to, you know, have a feeling on you know, battery voltage, etc., etc. So it can double as like a gauge or whatever when the car is off. When you turn it on, of course, it's going to probably when you have the SD card in there and you're playing off of that. The volume is still just the volume. And then push that into play and stop it. Which is interesting. Let's see. We're gonna try to use the Bluetooth feature to make a phone call. I don't know if there's like, is there a microphone? There's probably a little hole right there. So let's try to make a phone call and see what happens. Oh, listen.
Yes.
Hello, this is LS Chevy Rider calling from the driveway. How are you doing this evening?
I'm alright.
Alright. We're testing out this new product that we got off Amazon, and we wanted to know, how are we coming through as far as audio quality?
You're coming through fine.
Okay. So there's no distortion, no problem hearing me.
Well, it sounds like you're talking with your handcuffs.
You said with the hand what?
With your handcuffs.
Okay. I don't know if it's a...
You sound like you're talking like this.
Okay. Does that sound different? Is that like me tapping on the mic?
That doesn't mean that doesn't do anything. But I mean, you sound fine.
Okay, but for the most parts, they you're able to hear me and everything like that.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna show you guys that the phone is actually connected to the Bluetooth. Now we'll change it over to speaker. All right, hello.
That's better.
Okay, so you can hear me better now that we are on speaker versus the other thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not the same quality of me talking to you through the truck.
No. But I mean, I can hear you clearly.
Right. But it's just, there is a slight degradation of quality.
I'm going to say it's a degradation. But...
So is it good or not, nigga? Shit, that's what the people want to know.
I can hear you just fine. Like if you would have come, it would be fine. But I can tell the difference.
Okay, so you can tell the difference.
Yes. Did you just switch it back over?
I did just switch it back over.
Yes, I can tell the difference.
So you can definitely tell the difference. So there you have it, people. You can tell the difference, but it is still clear.
Am I on the radio? Let me shout out my mama. Hey, mama.
Good day, ma'am. So there you have it, people. As far as the Bluetooth capability and the transmitting of the sounds, you can use it to listen to your podcast, etc., man. I mean, you may have a newer car and it just doesn't have Bluetooth. You don't want to spend all the money on the radio, and you just go this route. So, apparently, I guess you just leave this plugged in, and it's in a different state. It's in like a different state of energy consumption. But I don't know. So I'll let y'all be the judge, man. I'll put the link down in the description box below, man. It's your boy LSHerrod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.